So students will often ask us at Career Services what the Strong Interest Inventory is. It's an online assessment. It's not an IQ test. It's not an aptitude test. It actually measures your interests. It takes about 30 minutes to complete online. There are 291 questions, and filling it out is a little bit like a multiple choice. So when you're filling it out, the questions are grouped into sections, and the sections are occupations, subjects, work and leisure, people, and characteristics. So it's measuring your preferences in those areas. Then students will say, well, how does it work? So the Strong Interest Inventory is based on John Holland's theory of career choice. And it uses 6 general occupational themes to give a picture of who you are. And so those general occupational themes are realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising, and conventional. Everybody has some strengths in usually 2 or 3 of these areas, and so when you do the assessment, it brings those to light. It also measures your preferences for work style, learning environment, leadership style, risk-taking, and team orientation, which is really helpful to know as a student and then as a future professional. So what do you get with the Strong Interest Inventory? You get a 19-page report that you get to keep, and the results can help you either choose a career or a job. It can help you explore the education options available to you. Again, you get to use your critical thinking on whether you would take these steps or not, whether that might be now or sometime later. And then it can also help you identify satisfying work environments. So helpful to know. In fact, this assessment is based on you become matched with a work environment that matches how you work naturally, right? And so the idea is that if you're working in an environment where there are like-minded people, that you are going to be satisfied and then therefore have a measure of success. So that's the whole premise of the assessment. It can also help you become more aware of the ways that you like to work and study. Very helpful for right now when you're a student. And then it can give you some ideas for volunteering. So with the Strong Interest Inventory, check out the instructions with this video to get started.